Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the float switch lever in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because your dishwasher is overflowing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. And we're going to have to go down to the float switch housing down here at the bottom of the dishwasher here. So right here inside of our float switch housing, we're going to have to open this up. And you just pinch each of these tabs, and then you can open the door up. There we go. This right here is our float switch lever. So all we have to do is just pull it straight out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement float switch lever, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And so you'll see there's a hole right in the middle of the lever here that corresponds with this piece that comes out of the housing right here. So that sits right in there, and it acts as the pivot point, and you'll see right there that hits the button, and this is the float right here which activates it, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.